Now we even eat smaller pieces. Aya, Songsae-nim vlog. If you can make good kimbap, you can be a good Korean husband. Hey guys, namaste. This is Madness and today I'm at Cheongju University, Cheongju, South Korea. And today we'll be visiting the Korean Language Center to make some kimbaps for the Cherry Blossom Festival. Let's go. So we are here at the location and everybody is busy preparing something. People are making some eggs and cutting the vegetables and doing something up. Even I'm going to try something. Let's see. Let's first make the kimbap and then let's go to the second spot and watch Cherry Blossom, if they have blossomed. Let's go. Let's go and explore what everyone is doing. You're not cooking?
I'm just helping.
Eating while cooking. Eating while cooking. Three of them are not doing anything and they're just here to eat. Igo. Well, I think activities like this is fun because you get to explore Korean culture and you're with people from different countries, so it's pretty much fun. Let's study how the kimbap is made. I used this opportunity to study how kimbap is made from head teacher Kim Sunil herself.
김밥 이게 가장 맛있어요. 네.
감사합니다. 맛있어요. I was lucky enough to taste the kimbap made by the head teacher Kim Sunil. Or you? Come fast.
산참이 만들 거예요.
Yeah. Master Chef India.
现在帮我表演了。
到时候都准备好了是吧 Yeah. 야, 라.
밥을 이렇게 동그랗게 말고 잘 펴 이제.
네.
피세요.
Yeah.
여기까지. 네.
여기까지. 아.
퍼질 수도 있지.
Okay, yeah.
이 김밥을 잘 싸야지 예쁜
예쁜 너무 예뻐요.
예쁜 여자친구가 생겨.
진짜?
그러니까.
잠깐만요. Then we need to make it carefully. 네.
자 이제 꾹꾹 이렇게
꾹꾹?
말아.
맞아요?
돌.
Yeah. I'm a professional Korean kimbap maker. 是吧? 맞아요?
think?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you think? I agree. Try.
And well. It looks so good. Let's take them and taste my kimbap. 잘했어. 이거 먹어. My kimbap. 많이 먹어. My kimbap.
Thank you.
맛있어요? 네, yeah, professional. After making some tasty kimbaps, we're out here to enjoy the festivities for the Cherry Blossom Festival. The place is filled with people. There are lots of people. There are lots of shops, lots of activities. Let's go and explore it out. A lot of activity going on, like there's children singing over there. Let's watch it out. Wow, this place is filled with people. There's so much to do and I am tired. I need to rest and get something to eat. I see there are a lot of food trucks right above. How about we go and check them out? Look at this crowd and look at people queue up. If it's crowded, it means it's good. Well, if you're in Korea, you've got to do Korean fried chicken. 감사합니다. It's a perfect weather and it's a perfect spot. The people have come here with their families to spend a picnic and a nice afternoon right over here. Finally, I get to enjoy my little picnic. Let's taste how's the chicken. There's nothing better than Korean fried chicken. And after our little picnic, we move forward to watch the cherry blossom. Well, the flowers have all bloomed and people have come up on this lovely afternoon to click pictures. Honestly, I feel jealous because everyone is a couple over here and I've come alone. So while it was a really fun and enjoyable event, it was a bit crowded, but it was fun. So make sure you take your time out and come here. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.